We prepared various summer drinks in the past. They're easy, and we are able to prepare them even from the garden. Sangria from south of Spain, and the chicha morada from the Andes. Our mainstays enjoy them. And today we're making an equally delicious, refreshing, but more economical and simpler to make. It is Tinto de Verano, here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook, and share. Hello! This will be a quick tutorial, a quick demo on how to make Tinto de Verano. It's an alternative to Sangria. It's cheaper, simpler, and what else? Equally delicious. What do we need? By the way, only two. Plus the garnishing. We need the cheapest red wine available, 7-Up or Sprite, ice cubes, and that's it. And for garnishing we need lemon, I tasted this when I was in Granada and I enjoyed it, although some accounts indicate that it is a drink from Valencia. To get you more excited about this drink, how about some cultural notes on Granada? Besides the home of the UNESCO site Alhambra, it is a very interesting and very historic city. It's considered to be the birthplace of the country. And it's where the founding royals are buried. The royals that influenced the history of the world. And back to our refreshment. In material of the origin, this is easy. We need 4. Oh, by the way, ideally we need tall glasses, not wine glasses. But I don't have any, so this will be good. Around 3 to 4 cubes per glass. The more the better, of course, because we economize on the wine. Okay, just equal parts. Equal parts. I'll make 2 of this. Are they equal? Well, almost. And same amount. 1:1. Same amount of Sprite or 7-Up. And to garnish, done! How easy can that be? We can also drop it. Oh, perfect flavor for a hot summer. Enjoy it with... I don't have any... I think I have something. Wait for me. Let's enjoy it with some crunches. I need a plate for this. I need a good color. As I promised, it's easy, so make one today. Cameraman, it's yours. It is my hope that you get inspired to make this at home or from anywhere. See you on the next videos, and thank you for watching.